AutoDS Dropshipping Shopify tutorial. How to use AutoDS for beginners. Hello guys and welcome to the video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to use the AutoDS service for beginners of every kind. Like, doesn't matter your skill level. With these videos and with this tutorial in specific, you will be able to use AutoDS for your Shopify store easily. Let's go, and of course start by going into our Shopify. You need a Shopify account for that. Of course, I have a trial account for you guys to show you how easy it is even when you are just beginning your account. So as you can see, I will have my Shopify ready here, and of course the next thing I will do is just go on to AutoDS website itself. Like, you can just go AutoDS and go on and open their website. But what I will do is, I already opened it up here. So after you log in or create an account, of course, you will go on and of course select what you will use your, of course, like platform. Like, it can be eBay, it can be Amazon, it can be Facebook, Shopify, Wix, WooCommerce, Etsy. For our case, for this video, it's Shopify. And of course, after we select that, of course, as you guys can see, it's not a free service and you need to pay money for it. Of course, because like without this, you can't do anything. As you can see, there are like advanced accounts, there are like starter ones, there are of course generally like importer ones. And of course, the idea of this platform is to just create the right thing and create the right account for you. It doesn't like it basically makes everything easier. That's the best thing I can say about it. That's the honestly most direct thing I can say about it, because the thing is, it's basically what it is. It's a make things easier tool. You basically create something, and of course, after creating something, you use AutoDS and then just make everything look better. If you know what to do and if you know how to do things, you will not need this. But of course, if you don't know, you can always start their free trial. I'm not gonna start a free trial here right now, but of course, it's always like cancelable. You can cancel anytime during those 30 days, but I know I will forget it, so I will not do it. But of course, I will show you how to connect it to Shopify as well after you do that. Because after you do the select payment thing, you will be able to just connect everything together. And from there, it just like has a Shopify-like background. You can choose stuff. It's not like, it's nothing you haven't seen before. It just makes things a little easier. So let's say you guys actually paid the money here and you guys actually just went on and of course you want to connect it to your Shopify store. How would that work? From there, you will go on, of course, and we can close this one right now. You will go on to Shopify, and then of course in here, either you can go into settings, and from settings you can go into apps and sales channels, and of course then you can say Shopify App Store. And when you go on to Shopify App Store, you can search AutoDS. It will immediately come out, and then you can install it. You can see it. It's like the actual service you can use on Shopify. And then we can say install, and this will install our AutoDS to of course Shopify, and it will send us to the main site. Like, doesn't matter, you already know what happens here. After I select it, I have to like pay the money and everything, pay the price. And after you install everything, you will see the app like will show up here if you actually finish the, of course, connections and everything. Like I said, if you pay the money, it will be here. I'm just showing it for the video to you guys. Of course, since I'm not using this is not my normal account, this is not the account I normally use, so I'm not gonna like pay any extra prices for here. Like I said, it's for the video. After you guys do all of that, after you guys connect and after you guys do all of that, how do you, of course, do anything? There are multiple tools you can use. One of them is the, of course, AutoDS Marketplace. AutoDS Marketplace is basically like AliExpress, like Alibaba, or anything similar. They offer a diverse range of like private, retail, or wholesale suppliers. They have branding customization, they have message suppliers, they have product sourcing, and everything you might actually need. Of course, because whenever you want to like drop ship or just like sell stuff easier, you need a platform that can, of course, just go on and you can use. Of course, one of the other stuff is, of course, simply AliExpress. And of course, if you know what AliExpress is, you can definitely do it by yourself as well. You wouldn't even need AutoDS for this. And of course, let's say you want to use AliExpress for your, of course, drop shipping supplier. What happens then? The thing with that is, in the events that you guys actually want to use AliExpress for your use case, in like we can just say use case for that. Let's skip this one. I'm gonna try to enter the AliExpress website. I have no idea why it's not loading up. Must be an issue here. We can go with even Alibaba, it's fine. I will go with AliExpress or Alibaba, this is fine. Let's just look for a supplier. And of course, after you find the supplier you want and the item you want, you will see an icon for AutoDS. It will say import to AutoDS. And with that import to AutoDS button, you will be able to just take the product page and import it to your web browser. And from there, you'll be able to optimize the product page with the AI tools and everything. And of course, thanks to that technology as well, you will be able to just go on, select a product like this. You will just click on it. There will be a button on the top of the page. And of course, from there on, you will just take the product, add it into your store, use AutoDS's like import to AutoDS feature that I'm like showing you guys on the screen right now. And of course, using that, you will be able to customize your Shopify store home page with minimal to no effort. And of course, thanks to that, you will be able to like handle the currencies and everything, then start making money. That was generally it, and I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, don't forget to give us a like and maybe even subscribe to our channel. But in any other case, I hope to see you guys in the next video as well. Have a great day and goodbye.